In this video, I'll show you how to skip your WooCommerce cart and send users directly to the checkout, instantly increasing your conversion rate in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first step is to head over to WooSuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin for WooCommerce. It's currently free and it's in beta mode. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin, the second step is to navigate to plugins, add new, then go ahead and upload the plugin in which you've just downloaded and then just click install. Once you've done so, you'll see this all-in-one checkout menu here. So we go ahead and click on it. And now the third and final step is just to toggle this option which says direct checkout, meaning the users will skip the add to cart process and be redirected directly to the checkout page. So you just want to toggle this on, hit save changes. So now when we visit our store page, instead of seeing the add to cart button, now we'll see the buy button. Okay, so let's visit our store page here. And now when we scroll down, here you can currently see we've got our buy now button showing. So now when we click on this, okay, so currently the user's being redirected directly to the checkout page and I can go ahead and check out and complete the order. And it's a similar setup on the product page also. So if we head back to our shop page here, okay, and when we click on a product, for example, this cap product here, here you can see the buy now button. So as I mentioned, this is currently in beta mode. We're currently creating the option so you can display both add to cart and buy now button. So most likely by the time you've downloaded and installed this plugin, you'll also have the option to customize the button text and you'll be able to display the add to cart button as well as the buy now button as well. Okay, so if we head back over to our dashboard. Okay, so just a quick overview about the all-in-one checkout plugin. So this plugin is focused on getting the maximum conversion from your checkout page whilst creating the most pleasant user experience. Okay, so we've got a few options. So we can enable the skip cart functionality like we've done here. And we can go ahead and create a custom checkout as well. So I've created a few here. So the beauty of this plugin is you can create different checkouts for different user segment, for different countries. In future, you'll be able to create conditional fields, A/B testing, and so much more. So not only can you enable the skip cart functionality, but you can actually create a custom checkout experience for your users. So you can enable multi-step. You can go ahead and tailor the checkout experience to incorporate your brand identity. So if this is something you'd be interested in, again, just head over to WooSuite.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. And that's how you add a skip cart functionality in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.